Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Nissan Finance from the website. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Nissan Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the home page of Nissan Finance. Here on the top you can see login option, click on it. Now you need your email address and your password to log in, so type in your email. Now type in your password. Now if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset it. And if you want to regenerate verification link, you can click on this link. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register and create a new account. Now to log in, click on login. These are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Nissan Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.